How to know who viewed your WhatsApp status. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and then tap on the updates option from the bottom left of your screen. Here, tap on the My Status option and then tap on the particular status whose views you are looking forward to check. Make sure that you have enabled read receipts in order to view the viewers. So if it is disabled, then tap on the U option or the settings option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the privacy option. Further, go ahead and enable the read receipts option you see there. And now if you go back to updates and then tap on your status, then you will be able to view the people who has viewed your WhatsApp status lately. So this is how you can know who viewed your WhatsApp status. However, WhatsApp does not allow users to secretly view who allowed or viewed your status. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.